Hello everyone, welcome back to Alakeoge YouTube channel. Today's story I'll be looking at these raglan sleeves. So this is what we're going to be making today. Please, if you're interested in learning how to make this, let's continue to watch this video. So for this, you're going to need your basic bodies, your front and your back. This is what you're going to need to cut this raglan sleeve. So to do that, you're going to join your basic bodies together, and also you need your sleeve, your basic sleeve. It might be a short sleeve, it might be a cap sleeve, it might even be a long sleeve. So depending on the kind of sleeve, how long you want your sleeve to be, so just get it. So if you don't know how to draft any of these, please go and watch my previous tutorial on the basic bodies and also the basic sleeve. So to start off, I'm going to join the basic bodies together at the shoulder, the front and the back. So I'm just going to use my paper tape to do that. I'm just going to tape it down together closely. So just tape the patterns together using, you can use your paper tape or your scotch, any tape. Just tape it together. You can use gum to just make sure they stick together like so. So now, after doing that, after taping it down, the next thing I'm going to do is to tape your sleeve. So I'm still taping the bodies. So now the next thing is to tape your sleeve. Make sure you have the front side at the front side of your basic bodies. That I'm talking about the sleeve now, and the back at the back side. I'm just going to tape the sleeve to the bodies. So I'm just going to tape it together like that. So tape it at the center. Make sure the center of your sleeve is at the center of the body that you've taped together. Then the side too. So the reason why there is a kind of hole there, just like I'm showing us, is because there is curve there and it cannot enter since we are not joining it together. So we're just going to join it like that. So just leave it like that. Don't mind it. It's still going to come out like beautiful, and it's just going to lay properly. But for now, this is just how it's going to look with the hole there, because it can't be joined together because of the curve on the sleeve and also on the bodies to the almost curve. So that's why it's just like that. So now you're going to determine how deep you want your neck to be. So for this, since it's a basic neckline and the neck is not that deep, so from on the front side, I'll be taking 3 inches. So depending on the kind of neckline you want to do, and on the back side, since the back is very high, I'll be taking 2 inches. So now you're going to connect it. Just place your ruler from where you've marked. You're just going to use your ruler. You can use your ruler. Let's use the ruler first. So you're going to place it right on where you marked. Mark 3 inches on the front to the armhole. Can you see how I placed my ruler? Let it get straight to the armhole, because we really need to get it right there. Then you take it to the back. So at the back we mark 2 inches because the neck is really high at the back there. So we're just doing the basic neckline for this. So you're just going to do the same thing. Just trace it to the armhole, exactly on your armhole. That's where you're going to place it. Can you see how it looks like right now? So I'll be going in with, so I'm just trying to get it accurately like that. You can use your ruler, then I'll still show us. You can still use your curve ruler too. So I'll be coming in with my curve ruler too. So depending on what you want, you can make it straight, or you can use your curve ruler to give it just a kind of, like, to make it easier. The curve ruler, it really makes it easier for you. You're just going to get it at one go, unlike the ruler that it might not just get it straight. Can you see how it is? So this is our raglan sleeve right there. So the next thing is just to cut it straight off on the line that we mark from the armhole straight to the neck line. So just going to cut it like so on both sides. So you're going to cut it, and here we have the raglan sleeve. So this is the raglan sleeve. You can place it like this on your pattern, on your fabric. So I just want to neighbor, this is the front side and this is the back side. Can you see? So you can place it like this on your fabric to cut it out, or I just want to show us that you can actually place it on another pattern paper to have the full, because of the hole that we have there. So I just want to just tape it down on another fresh pattern paper, then you just use it to trace it off. So just using it to trace it off like so. And here we have our raglan sleeve. Can you see how it looks like? So I'll just remove the one that we did first. Can you see this is how it looks like? So just if you want to sew it, this is how you just place them together by the side. So I just want to mark the midpoint. I want to mark the midpoint like so. So just mark the midpoint of this, so that we know, okay, this side is for the front. Can you see? So these bodies is what you're going to use. That's how you're going to cut it, your body and also the sleeve. So this is how you're going to place it on your fabric and you're going to cut it. If you want to see a sewing tutorial of this, please let me know in the comment section. I'm just going to use actual fabric to do this. So if you want to see a sewing tutorial, please indicate in the comment section down below. So this is how you're just going to cut your raglan sleeve. It's just so simple like that. So this is how it looks like. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. So I'm just going to label it as a raglan sleeve, and you can tweak it. It has different variants. You can check Pinterest to see different variants of this. You can tweak it. You can do slash and spread. You can do whatever. Just check on Pinterest to see different inspiration. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I really appreciate you. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you very much for those that are subscribed to this channel. I really appreciate you. So I'll see you in my next tutorial. So these are the variants of the sleeve, so please just practice. If you want to see sewing tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. Bye.